Inez was not cognizant of that American custom. On the other hand, Reynaldo was aware of what Americans expected. Does cognizant mean careful, aware, characteristic, or not aware? This sentence uses a contrast clue. Our signal words here are the words "on the other hand," indicating to us that whatever Reynaldo is experiencing, Inez is experiencing the opposite. In this case, Reynaldo was aware of what the Americans expected. Therefore, Inez must not have been aware, and not cognizant must mean not aware. Be careful, though, the sentence is not asking us to define not cognizant, it's asking us to define cognizant. Therefore, we can deduce that cognizant must mean aware. Let's take a look at our choices and pick which one best matches our definition. Careful does not match up with our definition nor our sentence, so we can mark it off. Aware seems to be just what we're looking for, but let's go on just in case. Characteristic, again, does not match our definition nor our sentence, and not aware, like we deduced before, is the opposite of what we're looking for, leaving us with B, aware.